In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Rocketmoney. First, get your Rocketmoney account set up so everything else runs smoothly. Download the app or open it on the web, create your profile, and securely connect your bank and credit card accounts. Make sure all major accounts are linked so your recurring charges and spending are captured. Turn on notifications for new transactions and upcoming bills. Those alerts will help you catch surprises early. After syncing, scan your recent activity to confirm that transactions look accurate. Next, review and categorize your subscriptions. Head to the recurring or subscription section and confirm each merchant is correctly identified. Rename anything unclear and assign the right category so your reports make sense. Mark services as active, paused, or canceled, and add notes like renewal dates or free trial end dates. Enable reminders a few days before renewals, so you have time to decide whether to keep or drop a service. Now set up budgets that match your real life. Use your past spending averages as a baseline, then give each category a monthly limit you can actually follow. Include essentials like housing and utilities, then add flexible categories like dining or entertainment. If the app offers a safe to spend view, use it to see what's left after bills and savings. Track your spending and create financial goals. Review the dashboard weekly to spot trends and overspending early. Set clear goals such as building an emergency fund or paying down a specific balance, and pick a target amount and date. Turn on progress alerts to stay motivated. Optimize and cancel unwanted subscriptions. Look for duplicates, price increases, or services you barely use. Downgrade plans when a lower tier fits your needs, or switch to annual if it truly saves money. If Rocketmoney offers built-in cancellation, follow the prompts. Otherwise, use the contact info provided and document the cancellation date. Take advantage of features that improve planning. Explore bill negotiation tools, fee refunds, spending insights, and savings automations. Use category breakdowns and trends to decide where to cut and where to invest more. Some actions require time and approval. For cancellations and bill negotiations, check status updates in the app and watch for confirmation emails. Keep an eye on your statements to verify changes take effect. Make reviewing a habit. Do a quick weekly check-in and a deeper monthly reset to recategorize transactions, adjust budgets, and update goals as your life changes. Finally, consider optional premium features if they save more than they cost. Enhanced reports, faster syncing, and advanced automations can be worth it when they help you execute your plan consistently.